Solve this 2018 question from scholarship calculus exam. Find all solutions of x and y, both real and complex, in system of simultaneous equations. And here we have two equations. First one is x squared plus y squared plus 3x plus 3y is equals to 8. And another one is xy plus 4x plus 4y is equals to 2. All right, so here when I see I have x squared plus y squared, right, plus I can take 3 common and we have x plus y is equals to 8. When I see x squared plus y squared, I can use the identity x plus y whole square, because that gives us x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, right? So x squared plus y square is equals to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. All right, why we are doing it? Because that way we will have xy in both the equations, and then it'll be easier for us to solve them simultaneously. So now here, in place of x squared plus y square, I'm putting x plus y whole square minus 2xy plus 3x plus y equals to 8. All right, and from this I can then, so in this now I can substitute the value of xy, and from, so that be equation 1, equation 2. From equation 2 we can find xy is equals to 2 minus 4, and if we take 4 common, it's 4x plus y, right? So we substitute that here, will give us x plus y whole square minus 2 bracket 2 minus 4x plus y, and then plus 3x plus y is equals to 8. So we have x plus y whole square minus, if we expand the bracket, it's going to be 4 plus 8x plus y. 3x plus y is equals to 8. Now we have x plus y whole square minus 4 plus 11x plus y is equals to 8. So now finally we have x plus y whole square plus 11x plus y minus 12 equals to 0, right? And this is in the form of quadratic, so we can say let x plus y is equals to, let us suppose t. We have t square plus 11t minus 12 equals to 0. So when we factorize this, we know it's going to be t minus 1, t plus 12 equals to 0. So t can be 1 or it's minus 12, right? So now we have got two values of t. Now let's find the values of x and y. So if t is equals to 1, x plus y will be, x plus y is equals to 1. And from here we don't have anything, but if we find x times y, we can find what that combination could be possibly. So x times y was equals to 2 minus 4x plus y. So if we substitute here 2 minus 4x plus y, that gives us 2 minus 4 times 1, which is minus 2. So if x plus y is equals to 1 and x times y is minus 2, the two possible combinations is x is equals to 1 and y is equals to, so x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 2, because 2 minus 1. So here minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 1. That's correct. or it could be x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is also 1. Right, so these are the two combinations we can have of x and y when x plus y is equals to 1. Now the another value that we have is t is equals to minus 12. Right, from here t is equals to minus 12. So x plus y is equals to minus 12. So we have to find x times y, which will be equals to 2 minus 4 times minus 12, which gives us 2 minus plus 48, 50. So xy is equals to 50. Now we have here, but we can't think of any possible combinations that when added gives you minus 12 and when multiplied gives you 50. So in that case, what we do is we convert these two combinations into a quadratic equation. So I have done a video on that already previously, so I'll link that video somewhere around here or in the comments for you to go and watch if you don't know how to convert that. Or what we do is we take a variable, so we cannot use x here because x is already there. So I'll take any other variable u, so u square, and then you have a minus the addition of the roots u, and then plus the multiplication of roots gives you the quadratic equation. Right, so u square remains u square minus, here you have minus 12u plus x times y is 50, u square plus 12u plus 50 is equals to 0. Now why I'm doing this is this will help me get the value of a, b, and c, and that way I can use the quadratic formula, and using that formula I can find the two values of the roots for, or two possible values of x and y's here. So I'll use the formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and we are finding the values of u, or possible values of x and y's, and that is will be equal to minus 12 plus minus square root of b square. 12 square is 144. 4 times a is 1 and c is 50 over 2a, or just 2 because a is 1. And that leads us to minus 12 plus minus square root. 44 minus 200 is minus 56 over 2. That will give us 56 is minus 14 times 4 over 2. Why I'm doing 4 is because it's a square number and it's easier to take it out of the square root. 12 plus minus 2 square root of minus 14 over 2. That leads us to minus 12 over 2 plus minus 2 over square root of 14i. So the two values are minus 6 plus minus square root of 14i. Right, so the possible values of x and y could be, so if x is minus 6 plus square root of 14i, y will be minus 6 minus square root of 14i. Right, and another possible value could be when x is equals to minus 6 minus square root of 14i, y is equals to minus 6 plus square root of 14i. Right, so these are the other possible values of this equation. Cool, that was an interesting question, very interesting question. So here it says all solutions of x and y, and because it is x square, or the highest value was square, I would expect two solutions of each, and there are actually possibly real and complex solutions both. So, yeah, I hope this makes sense. Cool. Have a good day.